Hi all, my name is Reena and today we are going to record a session on FTP. So to start the FTP command, first I'll tell you like how we can make any see this folder I have created on my desktop and I want to make this FTP server, right? And then I'll create one more folder here and I'll say this is the FTP local folder. So I'll make this FTP one as a FTP server, and I from this local desktop local server desktop FTP local folder, I'll like upload files and folders from this local to FTP server. So for that, just we need to make this FTP one as FTP server. So for that, there is a few steps which we are going to use to make this local like the folder which we have created on desktop. We can make this folder into the FTP servers. For that, we need to follow these steps. So let's go one by one. Okay, so for that, first we just need to check what is the IP address of your system. So just go into the CMD and just type IP config. Okay, so this is the IP address of my this desktop. Okay, then what is our next step? So just go into the control room, control panel, and in the control panel, you need to go into the programs and features. And here you need to go into the turn Windows features on or off. Click over here, and once you click on this, you will get this window of features. And from here, you need to check this Internet Information Services. Expand this one, and there's the FTP server. Expand this one, and just enable all these options. Okay, just click on OK, and it will take some time to complete this one. And now it is asking me to restart my system. So I'll say restart later, and then I'll go back to the control panel and I'll go into the administrative tool. Okay, and then here I will select this one, IIS Manager. Just double click on this one and it will open this window. And here you need to go into the sites and you need to create your own FTP sites, right? So just select the site, right click over here and click on the add FTP site. Once you click on this, then it will ask you some information. So it will ask you what is your FTP site name. Okay, so I will say the FTP site name is um, Vedika, and let's provide the path of the folder which we created on the your desktop. FTP one, I'm going to say FTP one. I'll select this one, and let me go to the manual. What it is saying. So this option we have done, we have gone into the programs and features, we have enabled this FTP server, right? And then we went to the IIS Manager window, and here what we need to do, provide file site name, right? So here FTP site name we need to provide. Just go into your start and check what is the name of this PC, right? This name is HP PC, so I'll provide the same name over here, HP PC. Okay, and here we have already provided the path of that folder which we want to make as FTP server, right? So this is selected. Click on the next, and here you need to select the IP address of this desktop. So I'll select this one. This is my IP address. You can match from here also the same IP address, IPv4 address. So I have selected, and the port name is 2021. Okay, and now so I'm going to select no SSL, right? And click on the next. So I will select the both for anonymous and basic. So and here I'll select the user, for which user I want to provide this FTP site, right? So I'll select a specific user from here drop down, and here I'll provide the name. The same name I'm going to provide this HPPC. Okay, and here what I will do, HPPC. Okay, I'll provide read and write permission. Finish this one. Okay, this is completed. So I'll go back to the again into my control panel, and in the control panel I'll go into the window firewall, and here I'll click on this allow, and from here we need to select the FTP. Just select and provide public. It's already checked in. I'll also say the I'll enable this private also. Click on OK. Okay, this is done. Let's go back to the manual. What it is saying now. So this is done. The site is done. This is also done, right? FTP server we had enabled it, and now we need to go into the IIS this window, IIS Manager, and here I have to select this one and I have to click on this one. Okay, and select this one and click on the allow rule. And here I'll select a specific user and username I want to provide like from here. So let me check what username it is asking. Select new user means like in account, if I'll go into my account section new, so click on the user account and okay. So here what I will do, I will create one more account here. So before creating, there's two accounts already there on my system. One is Ritu and one is Vedika new user. So any one account I will use. If you in your case there's no account, right? Apart from this, the local one, so you can create your users over here by using creating the clicking on this create new account. So I have already two users, so I'll use this one Ritu. And in your case, just create here this way, and I will see. I'm just creating one new user for Rishika, and I'll save this user somewhere so that I have to provide this username in my automation 360 create account. Account is created. Okay, and go to the Rishika and create a password for this. I'll use same. Create password. Okay, so this is done. Now go back to the manual. What it is saying. So this is done. Okay. Now we need to go into the folder. Folder. This is the FTP folder. Go into the properties and then okay, so here, so before going into the folder, so we are in ISS manager, right? Just click here, right click and click on the add allow rule. And here we need to specify the user which we have created, right? So my user's name was Rishika, which I have created. I'm providing permission read and write. Okay. Okay, so this user is created now and the permission is given, read and write. And then we need to go back to the this one folder folder. So in this folder, just click on the security. In the security, you need to click on the edit. In the edit, just click on the add. Okay, and here you need to add that user over here. Okay, so which user we have created. So my username was Rishika. Check names. Click on check names, and you can see this name is created here. Okay, by default it will take. It will provide the username. Click on OK. Click on apply. Click on OK. So now this FTP server is created. So how we can check? So just go into your Chrome and here just type yeah your server name. No, this is not right. So go into the Internet Explorer. Yeah, here I will type FTP